Brandon and Fermina, we are here to remember and rejoice with you, and to recount with I promise above all else.
I promise above all else
To live in truth with you.
to live in truth with you.
And to communicate fully and fearlessly.
And to communicate fully and fearlessly.
I give you my hand and my heart.
I give you my hand and my heart.
As a sanctuary of warmth and peace.
As a sanctuary of warmth and peace.
And pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor.
And pledge my love, devotion, faith, and honor.
As I join my life to yours.
As I join my life to yours.
All right. It's a lot of words. Yeah. Don't worry. You say whatever you want to say. Okay. You ready?
To be my husband.
I promise above all else.
I promise above all
To live in truth with you.
to live in truth with you.
And to communicate fully.
And to communicate fully.
And fearlessly.
And fearlessly.
I give you my hand and my heart. The ring is the unbroken circle of love. My hope is that every time that you look at the ring on your finger, that you will be reminded of the vows you have spoken today on this absolutely perfect wedding day. I thee wed.
I thee wed?
Yeah.
I thee wed. It'll be easy.
Okay, now place the ring on his finger. With this ring,
With this one.
I thee wed.
And the
Perfect. Much easier than the vows. Okay, I'm going to say a really beautiful poem that I think you guys will both like. Now you will feel no rain, for each of you will be shelter to the other. Now you will feel no cold, for each of you will be warmth to the other. Now there is no more loneliness, for each of you will be companions to the other. Now you are two bodies, but there is one life before you. Go now to your dwelling place to enter into the days of your togetherness, and may your days be good and long upon the earth. I'm getting out of the way for the shot. Now by the power vested in me by the state of Connecticut, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride.
What does it feel like to be freshly married?
Oh, it's beautiful.
You happy? Yeah. Excited? Excited? And let's show everybody your ring. What's your ring look like? Let's show the ring.
Bling, bling.
Let's show the ring. Oh my God, they're gorgeous.
Can't miss it.